Lovely blue sky. Just driven up from New Orleans and now just sort of circling around Baton Rouge at the moment on the I-10 West. I'm going to come off the interstate in a bit, so I much prefer the smaller back roads. It takes longer, but you see a lot more.
On 100.7 The Tiger.
100.7 The Tiger. Hey y'all, it's Brittany Rose and happy Saturday afternoon. Coming up right now, my favorite girl, Marina Lambert. It all comes out in the wash. Your hometown, Country Station 100.7 The Tiger.
Easy wear a last shirt to a crawfish bowl, stonewash drink.
Hometown country station. We're 100.7 The Tiger. Roland Dusay plays your swamp pop and Cajun music. Weekend mornings. Only on your hometown country station. 100.7 The Tiger. Country station 100.7 The Tiger.
Plus, you get Ram Care maintenance and a 100,000-mile warranty. Employee pricing. The Black Friday sales event, which lasts all month long. Comes unglued, and they get that ball. It's a hair trapper keeper. It is.
They got some Billy Currington, and I love the new 93 Q.
Houston's home for the new Billy Currington.